Hey everyone, and today I'm at the ploughing and we're going to watch sheep shearing now. So let's go. Cousin Noah will be coming in a minute. So we just have to go to the tent.
Okay, well, the judges' road is just done, so if the judges are ready there to lead the beat, Tom Dolan have a very quick brief and we need to get going with the first heats of the junior. There's quite a big line-up of competitors here with heats, then semi-finals in the necessary competitions, and that will be followed by the finals.
Yeah.
And the first heat for the junior, and you'll need two helpers. Each competitor will need someone in the pen for the woolly sheep and someone in taking the shortened sheep. That's your responsibility. And the first heat will be John Doyle, Shane Phibbs and Paul Conway. Heat number 2 will be Matthew Kane, Stanley Hilbert and Simon Doyle. Heat number 3 will be Thomas Gallagher and Victor Fennell. And heat number 4 will be Shane Carney and TJ Haughey. So we need those competitors ready, and make sure don't go up on the stage without your helpers, so you need to have them ready there. And it's your responsibility to take the sheep within the pen in a standing position and put each shortened sheep away properly. It might be a couple of minutes before you need to go up on the stage just yet, so just hang on. There needs to be a very quick judge's briefing there, and then we'll be ready to go on our way with the first of the junior heats.
Starting in a minute. So it's a sheep shearing competition. What? So Noah's just after coming. So that's good. Cousin Noah should be coming up now. What's on? Doing a video. The YouTube channel. I'm doing part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4.
There's 2 cows back there.
Yeah, here, let's just walk around. Mum, we're just going for a walk around.
It's starting in a minute.
I know, but we'll come back and just see.
Okay, fine.
I know. And don't ring me. Mom, don't ring me. Because this will cut out then and it's basically... So we're here now with Noah. The best farmer ever. Are you sure you want to be on YouTube?
I think so, yeah.
There's no one will, you know. Everyone would like to see it.
Yeah. See these cows here?
Oh God, they're big. Look at these.
They're smithing cows. They're like smithing cows. They can be beef cows or milk.
Jeez, he's massive.
We can actually buy them and milk them.
Yeah.
Right. We can put
Oh
them in
no.
the dairy.
And then we were coming into the car park. Mom was skidding and everything. Her tires just couldn't. And I was like, Mom, whatever you do, don't stop.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's doing wheel spins and everything. Sure, it's a big place, like.
Yeah.
And look what I'm wearing. These are size 5. I'm a size 6. My feet are proper. Here, let's go. Oh, it's the tent.
There's what do you call it? There's a load of there's some big tents.
Here, let's go up there. Let's go up here.
Alright.
What's up here?
JFC.
Yeah. Oh look, Wi-Fi. I have my 3G on. I have my 3G on. So we're just walking around, so we'll just see what's happening here. There's Wi-Fi place if you need any Wi-Fi. So So we're walking up this one and there's a lot of people here.
Oh, Dairy Master.
Oh look, Dairy Master, let's go in. Do you want to go in?
Yeah, I do.
Let's go. I bring a portable charger as well, so. So we're here at a dairy and my uncle wants to be a dairy farm, so look around. Tell me what happens, like tell what happens, like what are they?
They're clusters. They go onto the cows' udders and it's just all milk.
Wow. Oh look at this. So this is where your milk comes from then?
That one rotates.
Oh yeah. So this is where your milk comes from?
Yeah, boy.
Selfie kid! Nice one.
Hello?
Right, do you want to go back to the sheep shearing?
Yeah. We're in Dairy Master. I know, but we kept walking a bit. It's... Can you see it?
Straight on.
Alright, we're coming back now.
We should have rang Millie. So we're going back to the sheep shearing, I think. God, it's slippy. We're at the dairy place. Shouldn't we? No, I have this.
I forgot to bring in my fucking truck.
Oh,
My chair.
I should have banged the triple yoke.
You should have.
I'm sure something.
So I'm gonna do like part 4s and part 6 or something, you know, because I'm not gonna do it like for fully. So where are we going? Like,
Let's go in here.
okay,
Let's go in here.
so we're going back to the Dairy Master, where your milk comes from. Here we are again.
That's the Draco.
Oh, look at this, it's like a big container.
That's where
The milk cooling process is a great source of free heat. There's heat energy available from the milk, plus the refrigeration process itself also produces significant heat.
Do you want to go and see the four identical calves?
Yes. So apparently there's 4 identical calves, which are the exact same somewhere, so we're gonna see them. Where are they, Noah? Over here. I don't see no calves. It's muddy.
Yeah.
People are looking at me and they...
Johnny.
Yeah. Oh, in here.
With minimal downtime guaranteed, Pearson's breakdown and maintenance service is the best around.
So these are exactly the same cows. And there's only 4 of them in the world, so let's go and see them. Oh my god, look at this. Now I'll tell them what this is. It's cow feed.
Oh, the difference. Cream, yeah. That's maize.
Yeah. Puffy.
That's this ground up.
I know.
There's barley.
That's my common one.
Yeah, barley and wheat. Look,
Yeah, that's what Bernard was getting.
where's the calves?
So here they are. Here are the 4 identical cows.
Look, they've even got names.
They have name tags on them. See their name tags. That's Rosie over there, and this is Mia.
Aww, they're so warm.
Aren't they? That's Mia.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like me as well. Okay, so they're the 4 identical cats. Hang on, we're gonna just walk around. We're just gonna walk around them. So cute, like. Very cute. They're very clean. That's all I can say is that they're very clean. So this is Rosie. They're very clean. You know, I'm gonna walk around here. I'm gonna just say like I'll see if like. No, I'm doing like parts. It's gonna be like 15 minutes each or something. We're 11 minutes in so
Okay,
far.
well that might be enough now, Sean, for a while.
Okay.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah. Yeah. So now we're going back somewhere. The weather here is alright.
Increase the efficiency of the milling process, update the clear visuals of the operation. That's why it's the first choice for farmers across Europe and beyond.
Right. Do you want to go
Do you
on
want to
your
see the
own?
shearing?
Or what do
Yeah.
you want to do?
Yeah, I'll go with you if you
When
want.
it comes to herd hygiene,
Do you want to walk around by
prevention is better
yourself?
than cure. Our range of animal care products are the perfect way to ensure your cows remain healthy. Our research and development
Let's go to the machinery then.
What about, do you want to see the sheep shearing first?
technology. Visit
Yes or no?
Do you want to go to see the machines?
our complete range of cattle care products.
Do you want to go around and see the machines, like the tractors and
I
all
don't
that?
know where they are.
We don't know where the tractors are around there.
Yeah.
Maintenance service is the best around. Our highly skilled technicians are trained to work quickly and proficiently, ensuring your equipment is restored to full working order as fast as possible.
So it's from 15 down to 24.
So that's 10.
9. So down that way down.
Okay, see ya.
Technology. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and watch us on YouTube.
No,
Find links to all our social media sites.
just leave it. So now we're gonna have a look at the tractors and all the machines then. Noah, come on. What? Oh, Mom. There is a lot of people here. So, I might end this part now.
Will you stop a minute, please?
I'm gonna end this part.
What do you want to do? When they're
Yeah.
you want to go on your own? That's all I'm asking.
I wanna go on our own.
Do you want Michelle to go with you? Do you want me to come with you? Or will I go back to Ted?
We can go by ourselves.
No.
Okay.
Well, I come with you, so.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video and I'll do a part 2 then on it, okay? See you in a few minutes.